weekend. So, as we know, this session is all about D2C brand, and very much, we'll focus on the D2C brand and the D2C founders. Because in India, there are 49,000 plus active D2C brands who are building their own identity in this market. And on that particular journey, there are a lot of fundamental things which breaks down and founders struggle with. So we have Mr. Nikhil Khanna with us, who is the founder and the CEO of TechStacks and Cartiva AI. He will be the speaker of this particular session. So the objective of this session is, building a brand is a multidisciplinary practice which you do every day. So when you build a product or make a product and go to your market, so that's another journey. And the journey after establishing your brand in a market, the main thing starts with the sales. And while we're talking about sales, there are multiple factors that helps you to grow. But somehow, most of the founders struggle in the plateau region. They got initial sales from the friends and families, but while it's coming from the outside of the friends and families, there they faces a lot of problems. And here, the expert is Nikhil Khanna. So whatever doubt you have for your brand and how you can solve it, we will witness that particular thing live here. So over to you, Mr. Nikhil Khanna. Thank you so much for joining us today for this particular session. And please introduce yourself for our audience. And let's begin this particular knowledge session.
Thank you, Jonty. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for taking out of your time. And thanks for YZ team for organizing
this. I'm sorry, Nikhilji, for interrupting you. I think your voice is a bit lower. Can you just be louder, or can you just directly come to the laptop microphone or external microphone?
Okay, let me know if it is better now.
No, I think for the earpod, I think that's how it is.
Just a minute.
Yeah.
Is it better?
Can you just say something to us?
Yeah. Is it better now?
It is bit lower. So let's ask the audience. So is the audio clear from the speaker end? So give a thumbs up if it's clear to you. Okay. So Mr. Naresh is saying yes, it is clear. It is clear.
Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for confirming. Until then, audience, as we do every time, the poll is live on the right corner of the meeting room, the purple button. So just click on that poll and give your vote so that we can understand the demographics of this particular call and we understand what you are up to. Okay. Okay. So yes, Nikhilji.
Okay, thanks. Sorry for interruption at my end due to some noise, right? And please feel free to interrupt me if my voice is not audible. I'm Nikhil Khanna, founder of TechStack, and along with that, my co-founder Abhisar Pandey is on the call, who is the CTO of our company. Okay, Abhisar, can you share your screen to present the?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes. So everyone, if the screen is visible, please give a thumbs up and react on this particular meeting.
Yes.
So visible. That speaker can get confirmation. Thank you, Piyush. Thank you, Uttam. Thank you, Team YZ. Thank you, Rashmika. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much, guys.
No, screen is not visible. Vaibhav, can you check again, because it's visible for all?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. So I think we can continue.
Okay. So today's session is all about how AI solve operational challenges, execute business tasks for e-commerce and D2C brand. So this session is all about understanding your business operational challenges, you face on daily basis and discuss how AI can solve them, right? We will demonstrate a real use case for e-commerce and D2C, how we approach to solve them, and have an open discussion at the end. Abhisar, next slide. So the agenda of this session would be, we will close to spend 1 hour to learn, introduce our about self, to learn core challenges you are facing, what are the challenges we have figured out for e-commerce and D2C brand. And we will discuss how AI can add value to your business, because value is really important for any solution, right? It should not be just a chatbot like a chat GPT, but it should be an execution engine for your business. Then we will show a live demonstration followed by open discussion. Next slide, please. Okay. So we are from TaxStep, an AI startup, building an infra for voice and chat agent, which are very popular right now. And we started by solving operational challenges for e-commerce and D2C brand, because this industry has a high volume of customer queries. Earlier, D2C brands and e-commerce only sell on the marketplace, but the shift is coming that they are also establishing their own website to bring the customer on their website to maintain their identity, right? So today, our AI help our business to automate their sales, customer support, and business workflow that we'll see in the later demo session as well. And our infrastructure is not limited to the e-commerce. It can be extended to the healthcare, logistics, banking, insurance, manufacturing, everywhere, because conversation will be a two-way, not to be a one-way. And our vision is very simple. AI should not just answer your question. AI should actually execute a workflow. That is our vision completely. So if anyone has a doubt, any question, please feel free to interrupt me. I'll happy to answer your query.
Absolutely. So yes, so from the audience, I think you got the agenda, you got the thing, correct? If yes, so then please react. So Nikhil ji, thank you. So Nikhil ji, first of all, we want to understand the things before deep diving into the things and all. So there are a lot of D2C founders here, and they are facing a lot of problems. So what are the main problem they're facing? And the era of AI, everyone is getting stuck with AI solutions, right? Somehow they want to enable themselves with AI. So क्या इसके अंदर हम किस तरीके से envision करें कि actual मेरे business के ROI बन पाए? Because business is all about, if I'm investing 2 rupees, I have to get 4 rupees back, and on that 2 rupees profit, the 1 rupee will go into the cost and all, and 1 rupee will be in my pocket, correct? So on that case, so how the problem is happening in this particular sector, and what are the key things that AI is addressing? But there are some critical also which AI cannot solve on that particular part. But is there anything you want to explain? So we are open to discuss and open to hear from you.
Okay, so just give me 1 minute to allow to give a background of our team. Then we will jump to your question. What the pain problem we are trying to solve, right? That will be okay to you?
Yeah, absolutely. And I
give me a minute.
Understand about the
problem. I understand. Abhisar, can you move to the next slide? So as I mentioned there, I am the Nikhil Khanna, founder of TaxStack. I've spent close to 13 years in data analytics and digital transformation with the organization like BlackRock, SBI Life, Indus Valley Partner. So I work majorly on the projects to automate the manual workflow and build the unified dashboard for monitoring of data flow, right? And my co-founder, Abhisar Pandey, has a core interest in AI cybersecurity. He's a full stack engineer. He has been building AI agent automation platform for R&D enterprise close to 4 years. Also, he has written down many research papers. Together, we combine business understanding to increase AI, understanding with AI to increase the operational efficiency and the revenue. Now, Abhisar, can you move to the next slide? So why we are starting solving this problem, right? So I'll give you one story which is true for me as well, and why I am trying to portray the story. What happened? I placed an order on the boat website for a watch to give my brother on a birthday, but I received a damaged watch, right? So I have only one option that I'll make a call on the customer care, or it could be a वहाँ पे एक form है जो आपको fill करो, and they will call you or they will register some complaint. But after 4 to 5 years, I mentioned that मेरे पास 3 दिन है, within 3 days you can at least reply me. That didn't happen. They asked me on the call, okay, let's put all the images and video on the email and share with me. Only the images, not a video. I send it. It happened twice and thrice. Laterly, what happened? I had to escalate this matter on the LinkedIn, and it will blow up the post and goes to the many users. So what I extract this, that there is a gap of communication between customer and the seller. There is no point of contact. Mobile calling is going to be a very old method, or email will be old method. No one can tackle the email again and again and drop an email. So there should be agent which can communicate between brand and the customer. You don't need to step and jungle around the multiple platform to answer your question, right? So this is the personal experience which I have faced, and with that thought, we started building this product, right? As we know what happened, every business which is creating own website, they have to spend money on their advertisement, to bring organic traffic. They have to spend on influencer to bring the traffic. But what happened? Sometimes most of the customer go till the checkout page, which is a recorded that 70% people left the cart without buying a product. That is one of the pain point. You spend around 200 or 300 rupees to bring the customer on your website, but you are not able to sell the product. That where we play the role with the help of AI. That I'll tell you, right? Most of the time, if you see or go on the Myntra, there is a catalog of hundreds of shirts, thousands of shirts. You will not able to drag and scroll. So you will somewhere lost into the product. So idea would be, consumer don't need to apply many filter. If you want to buy white shirts, we just type, I want to buy a white shirt under 1,000 budget. So what our agent will do, it will show those products which are under 1,000 rupees, and it will be a very selective product, so that agent can help you increase your ROI to close the deal. अगर कस्टमर आ रहा है और कस्टमर सिर्फ स्क्रॉल करके जा रहा है, that will not add your value until unless वो purchase ना करे. So we are trying to make an environment so that your sales will be get higher and higher. That is one thing, right?
Okay.
Apart from that, the major, so when we talked about with founders and D2C brand with the e-commerce, so these are the main pain points we have observed. Cart abandonment is very high. People go till checkout, they back out, they don't buy it. There is a lack of trust on the brand because there is a new brand. Even though I'll go on the website, I will prefer COD option. I'll place an COD offer, like purchase. But most of the time, COD orders are very fake. Many states from many users will put their wrong mobile number, right? So that is the struggle when the product gets delivered at their doorstep and delivery boy call on the number, that will not pick up the phone. And ultimately, you will suffer from product, packaging, dispatch, your workforce, everything get wasted on that product dispatch, right? Third is repetitive query. Mera order ka hai, that is one of the highest query which we saw, that everyone is saying कि मेरे को order tracking के लिए customer मेरे को reach out करता है अगर वो manual call पे है, right? Then return refund request. Return refund request में return की request तो डाल दी, but क्या उसने images upload करी हैं वो नहीं हो पाता as of now अभी के trend में. Second thing, when you want to scale your brand, because you will not stick to the 1 crore CR, you want to grow your brand to 20 CR, right? So you need to add as much as workforce. To solve this workforce, this agent only can handle thousands of conversations at a time without adding any workforce. So these are the major problems we have observed. And the last is the language barrier. If your customer is from South India and you are from North India and your customer agent only know English or Hindi, he cannot talk to that customer. So these are the problem statement we observed as of now. I'll take a pause. If you have any other problem which you are facing, you can add, and then we will move to the poll part.
Yes, so guys, please share if you're facing any other problems or if you resonate with these problems that Mr. Nikhil just
That is
shared.
also important.
If anyone would like to, add in the chat or just unmute their mic, please feel free.
Absolutely, absolutely. Sorry, I was just facing some network issue. Yes. So till then, I think what I have grasped about this. So let me summarize for the audience also. So yes, people are वो कार्ट में ऐड कर देते हैं, but उसके बाद पेमेंट नहीं करते हैं, correct? So they are adding a
Yes,
product
yes,
but
yes,
not
definitely.
paying
This
for
is
the product. So this is a
Yeah.
big thing, and our ROAS is a big thing which each D2C founder is facing right now, correct? And other than that, there are a lot of problems people are facing who are doing D2C sector, building something in D2C sector. Yes. So till then, if it's clear the problem, the things we are talking about, so please react on this particular call so that we can give the confirmation, have the confirmation from your end, so that we can proceed further. Yes,
yeah,
Priyanshu?
yeah, Piyush.
Yes. Yes, Piyush.
निखिल, हाय निखिल।
Yeah, hi, Piyush. Please go.
एक्चुअली आप जो बता रहे हो, एक्चुअली बहुत सारे मार्केट में प्लेटफॉर्म है जो मैं यूज
Yeah.
करता हूँ, लाइक रेटना.ai है, GoQuick है, सो सब में मैंने यूज किया, तो सिमिलर ही है काइंड ऑफ आपका।
Okay.
हाँ, कुछ यूएसपी वगैरह कुछ बता सकते हो कि
Yeah.
जो उनसे अलग कर
So
सकते हैं?
first of all, we are creating a unified platform. अभी जितने भी प्लेटफॉर्म हैं, they are selling one agent as an exclusive. We have built multiple agents together at a one place. First thing, आपको सब कुछ, चाहे वो आपको COD वेरिफिकेशन करना है, आपको कार्ड अबेंडमेंट का वो फीचर को चाहिए, everything should be at a one place. And the second important part is execution. What happens if you use a multiple agent? And I have also used a multiple agent because I visit I have to analyze my competitor, what are they doing. So what happens अगर मेरे को रिटर्न की रिक्वेस्ट डालनी है, so what they say, I have put कि मेरे को रिटर्न डालना है, they will ask the information, but they don't create a ticket. They ask to call a customer care or drop an email ID. This is also the product we have seen. Apart from that, for example, अगर किसी कस्टमर को अपना मोबाइल नंबर अपडेट कराना है, उसने एट द टाइम ऑफ परचेज गलत डाला है, एड्रेस चेंज कराना है,
ओके, तो निखिल ये सब जो भी कस्टमर हो गए, तो वो कहाँ पे डालेंगे? ईमेल पे करेंगे या फिर व्हाट्सएप पे? अब जैसे कि कोई
अभी या सो दैट विल बी अ वेबसाइट और विजिट ऑन द वेबसाइट, दैट विल बी डन ऑन द वेबसाइट इटसेल्फ, राइट?
ओके, तो
कस्टमर आएगा, कस्टमर आएगा विजिट में, आई विल शो यू इन द कमिंग स्लाइड एज वेल। कस्टमर आएगा, कुछ भी क्वेश्चन है, कुछ भी रिटर्न रिफंड है, इवन दो उसको एड्रेस चेंज कराना है, योर सपोर्ट टीम डोंट नीड टू इंटरप्ट दैट, उसको कोई एफर्ट ही नहीं डालना पड़ेगा, दैट विल बी डन ऑटोमेटिकली। दैट इज द यूएसपी वी ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट, बिकॉज AI का काम is not a chat GPT की information pass करना नहीं है, because we have seen most of the people are selling wrapper and these are just a question answer thing. We are doing something different. That's why.
Okay. Like one of my client, they use very fast on website.
Yes.
तो सिमिलर है, very fast जैसा भी हो सकता है आपका, मतलब प्रोडक्ट?
Yes, I have used very fast. When I asked, I want to return a damaged product, so they completely mention, I don't have a screenshot.
You direct competitor is very fast, I say.
Yes, very fast is one of our competitor, right? ByteSpeed is also a competitor. But what happens that everyone is selling in a different way. Some are selling like feature wise, like allocation, but our product is completely in one roof. All things should be at a one roof, not a separately we want to sell the service.
Understood. Thank you for clarifying.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Piyush, for asking this question. And please stay tuned with us, and we will have the live demo with the live audience. Okay, so we will have that.
Sure.
Okay, so yeah, Nikhil. So we can go further. And till now, what I have understood from your perspective, that was your product can solve a very good problem for the small startups who are just starting, because they can't afford a very large customer support team or the customer success team, right? Yes. So this particular product can help out them. And Sanjoli Khurana is saying something, because I have joined a bit late. Just a minute. Yes, Sanjoli.
I just wanted to ask whether we can get slides after on recording on mail later. I joined.
Yeah, sure. Yes,
okay.
You'll get.
Thanks.
Yeah. So yes, Mr. Nikhil, please. You can.
Yeah. So, Abhisar, can we move to the next slide? So I think first, my point is first we resonate what we thought and what we gathered as a problem statement. Are you facing those problem or not? So we have created a poll, right? You can select as much as option into the poll, and accordingly we will take the maximum. Just we request for maximum poll milega. We will start from that, right? So I think, Jonty, if you can open the poll.
Yes, the poll is live.
Yeah.
So yes, guys. So the poll is live, and we got 3 votes till now. And so, guys, please, keep recommending and keep voting. Come on, we got 4 votes. Come on, guys. Come on. On the top right corner, you will get the purple logo. Yes. Anyone else? Yeah. So what are you looking for most from AI right now? We got some vote for card abandonment recovery. After
Okay.
that, escalation and human handoff.
Okay.
And product recommendations, upsells and cross-sells.
Okay.
Come on, guys, come on. Keep voting. Keep voting. It will really help us to deliver a tailored session, which really help you, because when you are putting your time for this particular session, so you're investing something, right? So on that thing, you just have to get some return out of it. So please use this particular session on that way. Come on. Dhruv. Okay, Dhruv is saying we want to partner with Wising. Okay, it would be great help to discuss on with the joint team. Okay, sure, Dhruv. After this, we can connect. We can connect. Yeah, thank you. Other than that, yes, Mr. Nikhil, coming to on your point.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. How many vote got for product recommendation? Sorry, card abandonment. Is it high
So
in number?
till now, yes, it is higher. It is high.
Okay. So in the meanwhile, just Abhisar Pandey want to add on the question of Piyush Kamawat. Abhisar, can you go ahead just to add what you want to?
There are many like competitor of ours like GoQuick and Very Fast and all. So basically, in some way for card abandonment, there is a particular rule that अगर customer website पे login होगा तभी card abandonment दर्ज करेगा. Like if you go to any website और वहाँ पे GoQuick का card abandonment होगा तो उसके लिए customer को login करना पड़ेगा checkout में जाके. Then उसके बाद card abandonment के calls या message आएंगे. In our model, in our product, what it does basically कि कस्टमर चाहे लॉगिन होगा या नहीं होगा, अगर उसने अपनी डिटेल उस फॉर्म में डाल दी है, इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली कैप्चर दैट. सेकंड चीज दैट आई वांट टू ऐड कि जितने भी लाइक इन और कंपटीटर्स हमारे चाहे GoQuick है या वेरी फास्ट है, व्हाट दे आर डूइंग बेसिकली वो हर एक फीचर का सर्विस दे रहे हैं आपको. इन आवर प्रोडक्ट बेसिकली यू विल गेट एवरीथिंग इन वन रूफ, चाहे वो कार्ड अबैंडमेंट हो, चाहे वो COD वेरिफिकेशन हो, चाहे रिटर्न रिफंड हो. रिटर्न रिफंड में एवरीवन लाइक मेनी कंपटीटर्स कैन प्रोवाइड यू कि आप फोटो अपलोड करो, बट वेरी लेस विल गिव यू कि अगर जैसे कोई वेबसाइट है वहां पे आपका कोई कस्टमर है जो महीने में 10 ऑर्डर प्लेस कर रहा है, बट 10 में से वो 8 बार रिटर्न रिक्वेस्ट डाल रहा है. तो आर प्रोडक्ट ऑल्सो बेसिकली ट्रैक ईच एंड एवरी कस्टमर बिहेवियर ऑल्सो, ताकि अगर आप किसी कॉमर्स वेबसाइट से 10 बार ऑर्डर कर रहे हो महीने में, तो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपको 8 बार प्रोडक्ट खराब ही मिलेगा, आपको 1-2 बार खराब मिल सकता है. तो इससे वी विल बी एबल टू ट्रैक कि वो कस्टमर जो बेसिकली दे आर टेकिंग द रिफंड प्रोसेस, इससे सेलर का नुकसान ना हो. That I wanted to add.
Okay, thank you, Abhisar. Okay, so I think everyone.
Sorry,
Yeah.
I have question here. Abhisar,
Yeah.
what is your product name?
Cartiva.
The product name is Cartiva AI.
Can you share in chat, because I have used GoQuick. उसमें सिर्फ you are saying कि उसमें सिर्फ कार्ट अबैंडन का ट्रैक रखता था, लॉगिन्स का नहीं.
No.
No, I'm saying कि for GoQuick के कार्ड अबैंडमेंट के लिए it will only work अगर आप चेकआउट पेज पे जाओगे, if you enter your मोबाइल नंबर, फिर OTP आएगा.
हाँ.
उसके बाद if you abandon the cart, then आपके पास कॉल मैसेज आएंगे to recover the cart. But in our product, आपने अगर चेकआउट पेज पे आप गए हो, आपने सिर्फ अपना डिटेल भरा है, आपने कोई लॉगिन नहीं किया, कोई अकाउंट नहीं बनाया, उसमें भी it will capture your number and it will connect you.
ओके और
कार्ड
मुझे
फ्री कवर
गोक्विक
करने
में
के लिए।
क्या प्रॉब्लम आया था ना कि वहां पर जो फोन नंबर्स हैं वो फोन नंबर हमेशा एस्टेरिस्क देते थे, राइट? उसको हम किसी और कहीं और डेटा में डाउनलोड नहीं कर पे कॉल नहीं कर सकते थे कॉल ट्रैकर रख के, तो वो भी
Okay.
प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी।
हाँ।
गोक्विक में वो
हाँ,
फीचर नहीं था।
इसमें बेसिकली फॉर एवरी कार्ड अमेंडमेंट कॉल आपके पास समरी रहेगी कि जो बात हुई है कस्टमर से, क्या बात हुई है, उसका क्या इंटेंट है। इन लेटर ऑन द सेशन वी विल शो यू द डैशबोर्ड कि बेसिकली कार्ड अमेंडमेंट में क्या उसके एनालिटिक्स है, कैसे आप पूरा ट्रैक कर सकते हो कि कौन से कस्टमर ने फोन उठाया था, अगर उठाया था तो क्या बात हुई है।
ओ
Later on,
नाइस,
आप
क्योंकि
उस
अगर ये
customer को
कॉलिंग
directly
कॉलिंग
reach out-
सिस्टम भी आपने इंटीग्रेट कर दिया ना, तो वही हमें चाहिए था आउटबाउंड कॉल्स के लिए, बिकॉज कार्ट अबेंडेंट वो एक्सपोर्ट नहीं कर पा डाउनलोड डेटा नहीं कर पा रहे थे, एक्सपोर्ट का कोई फीचर ही नहीं था गोक्विक में, जिसकी वजह से हमें कॉपी
इसमें-
पेस्ट करके शीट पे डालना पड़ रहा था और फिर वहां से कॉल्स
No, no, we have a completely centralized. So I'll show you, right? Then we can get a more idea about this, right? So let's start from the card abandonment. So when you buy this, place this product, so you will option of a chat and voice. Voice is in development. It will be launched very soon, but chat is running as of now. For example, card abandonment में कोई customer आता है, then go to checkout page, right? And hit on a buy button. Someone would like to volunteer, or should I put my number? I am open for both. If someone would like to volunteer so that he can get a call.
Yes. So yeah,
Can-
so anyone from the audience want to volunteer for this task, and your number and everything will be masked when we put it in on the public.
I'll put my address. Just give me your number, just to give the sense.
Yeah.
Anyone?
Anyone here from the
Okay,
audience?
no problem.
Yes, my number, Dhruv Mangal. Yes, Dhruv.
Uh,
The number
I
is
want to-
9586. I'm telling you, just.
95.
And Mr. Nikhil, can you just close that particular meeting window on your screen, because it is a bit distracting the audience. Okay.
Yeah. Is it fine now?
8
Landing page, just phone number डाला होगा, address डाला होगा, and then customer उसे close करके चला जाएगा. So जैसे ही 5 मिनट हो जाएंगे, विद इन 5 to 10 मिनट्स की हमने विंडो लगा रखी है, 5 मिनट बाद आपके पास कॉल आएगा, विच इज IVR बेस्ड कॉल, राइट? You can put on the mic so that everyone can listen it. In the meanwhile, we will scroll other feature of this product, right? I think we should go for a product recommendation. Will it be fine?
Yes, sure. You
Okay.
can just present all your features first.
Okay. So, for example, user want to buy a shirt, right? Under 500. Let's see what it does. First of all, it will ask men or women according to the आपके store के according पूछेगा, right? If you have only women, तो there will be no question. But yes, it has a mix of both, right? तो according to this, my question उसने 500 के अंदर top 4 to 5 shirts निकाल के दे देगा, right? These are the shirt. But वो ना upsell भी करेगा. Upsell क्या करेगा? ये premium pick दिखाएगा आपको. इससे क्या होगा? When customer will scroll these shirt, तो उसको एक 700 shirt का भी एक close look मिलेगा. So that will help to convert at a higher price. This is the USP of this product. वो close देखेगा कि 500 के close कौन सी शर्ट है, which will go to 700, तो उसके वहां तक उसको shirts दिखाएगा, right? Second thing आती है COD की. COD is very high in our country, right? Someone goes to this product and ask for the COD, right? And selected COD. For COD, I'll get a call. I'll put on the speaker so you guys also can listen this call, right? So इसमें क्या करेगा वो basically आपके नंबर को, कंज्यूमर के नंबर को वेरीफाई कर रहा है, और वो ये चेक करेगा कि और ये देखो कॉल आ गया मेरे पास. Let me know if it is audible.
This is a call from Lakshmi Clothing to confirm your Cartiva delivery order number 1037 for 931 Indian rupees to be delivered to 54 Street 211, East Azad Nagar, Delhi 110051. Press 1 to confirm your order, or press 2 to cancel it. Thank you. Your order is confirmed and will be shipped. Have
Oh.
a nice day.
ओके सो जब ये ऑर्डर कंफर्मेशन होगी ना सीओडी की, तो हमारे डैशबोर्ड के अंदर आपको ये जो ये दिखाएगा, ये ऑर्डर कंफर्म दिखाएगा। जब तक ये सीओडी वेरिफिकेशन नहीं होगी ना, ये आपका पेंडिंग में रहेगा। सो दिस इज हाउ द सीओडी वेरिफिकेशन वर्क्स, राइट? एनी क्वेश्चन इन दिस?
I think from audience, is there any doubt? So please unmute yourself and you can just ask any questions you have on your mind.
Abhisar, you can add something you want.
Yeah, for the COD
Yeah.
verification part, basically, like if अगर कोई कॉल नहीं अटेंड करता है तो it will try 3 or 4 times. सेलर पे डिपेंड करता है, वो सेटिंग पे जाके इसको सेटिंग को लगा सकता है। उसके अलावा लाइक अगर ऑर्डर कंफर्म नहीं होता है तो ये ऑर्डर एक ड्राफ्ट ऑर्डर रहेगा, इट वोंट बी पुश टू योर शॉपिफाई का सीआरएम या कोई भी सीआरएम है। तो इससे जो आपका सीआरएम है क्लस्टर नहीं रहेगा, ओनली द कंफर्म्ड ऑर्डर्स जो आपका कंफर्म हो चुका है, चाहे वो कार्ड अबैंडमेंट के केस में हो चाहे सीओडी के केस में हो, वो आपको मिलेगा।
Okay.
Yes,
और इन दिस वे
yes.
दैट अगर ये पेंडिंग है यू सीओडी ऑर्डर, वो जब तक कंफर्म ऑटोमेटिकली होगा, अगर वो यस करेगा, नहीं तो वो इस स्टेट में रहेगा, राइट?
Yeah.
Okay, so next thing we will jump to the order tracking, sorry, address modification, right? So let me place an order. I think I've already placed an order 1036, and if some user want to update a address for this, right? उसको अपना एड्रेस अपडेट करना और प्रोडक्ट अनफुलफिल्ड है, तो वो भी वो अपडेट कर सकता है, लाइक दिस।
Okay.
और इसमें मल्टीलिंगुअल है, वो इंग्लिश में करे, बिकॉज इंडिया में इंग्लिश इज वेरी पॉपुलर,
Yeah.
राइट? हम जनरली इंग्लिश में या प्योर हिंदी में नहीं बात करते, वो इंग्लिश में भी बात करेगा। लेट मी जस्ट रिफ्रेश, इट शुड आंसर ओनली इन इंग्लिश।
Here I have
Yep.
some feedback.
या
जैसे आप टाइप करें, राइट, मेरे पास ऐसे क्वेरीज आती थी कस्टमर्स की कि मुझे एड्रेस चेंज करना है, सो दिस इज वेरी राइट यूज केस, बट यहाँ पर आप स्पीकर मोड दीजिए कि वो कभी कभार
हमारा
बहुत ज्यादा
वॉइस,
एक्सप्लेन भी करते हैं और उनका इशू थोड़ा
Right,
लंबा
right,
भी
right.
होता है।
यस आई गॉट योर पॉइंट। उसके लिए हम लोग ना यहाँ पे अभी मैंने दिखाया था ना, वॉइस वाला ऑप्शन भी एनेबल कर रहे हैं। गोइंग सून इट विल बी अ वॉइस एज वेल। अगर किसी को वॉइस से करना है तो वॉइस से भी कर सकता है, मतलब इट विल बी लाइक अ नॉर्मल कॉल, टू वे कम्युनिकेशन।
कहाँ पर है वॉइस वाला?
अभी जैसे एक सेकंड, जस्ट गिव मी 1 minute एंड इन द मीनवाइल आई विल शो यू, देन आई विल जंप टू दैट पार्ट, राइट?
श्योर।
तो अभी का हमारा इसका करंट एड्रेस है 54 ईस्ट आजाद नगर। आई विल पुट
Hello.
या
Hello. Yeah, could you please speak in English, guys?
श्योर
Yes,
श्योर
yes. We can continue in English also, so that we know.
श्योर श्योर। सो आई विल
Yes.
पुट द एड्रेस, एक मिनट, जस्ट अ मिनट, 1036 103। First of all, this will verify order ID and email. So basically, it will be a combination of order ID with email ID or a mobile number, right? Now it will ask your address as well.
Hi guys. Just now I have joined to this meet. I don't know what's the context and what's happening here exactly. Could you please give me a short info about
Okay,
that?
sure. So Vishnu, here actually we are, talking about some critical problem which D2C founders are facing day-to-day life, like just cart abandoned. Other than that, they COD returns. They face a lot of COD returns, and the ROAS is so high, and they are operating at that point. So the growth is stagnant, and they are bleeding much. Correct. So how using AI we can control all of these particular pain points in a particular way, so that unified in a unified manner you can grow your business and you can establish your brand in the market. So that's the context. And
now,
right
like,
now the demo
yeah.
is going.
So like as you mentioned, the founders are facing some issues. Like what are those issues? Like, could you please go in detail about them?
So actually we already have, discussed those in the early part of this particular meeting, and you will get the recording of this particular call. Then you can go through it, and you will get the crux. Is that helpful to you?
Yeah, but maybe actually yes, you're right. I missed the past sessions because I was occupied with my company work, and now later part of this meeting, I've seen some data where some money was showing. Like I didn't get like, are you guys doing some finance work, or like you are like, are you building an AI which will showcase your transaction details, those stuff I'm thinking by looking at your screen.
Okay, so Mr. Nikhil.
Yeah,
Can
can you repeat? Actually, I missed out your question. Can you please repeat again in short?
Yeah, actually, I joined your meeting today because for last session I was occupied with my company work.
Okay.
Now when I saw the screen of like Nikhil is presenting your screen, when I saw your screen, have
Yeah.
saw some money, like product and some money on the screen. So like, are
Mhm.
you guys are going to build an AI which will manage companies money, and like that I'm
No.
asking.
No. We are not managing money at all. This is basically a Shopify order part, right? We are trying to show that how the AI agent can help you to update the customer information. For example, if the customer orders something and he want to change the address, right? That
Yeah.
can be done from there. That is a very demo thing, not that we are putting some money here.
So, for instance, if I order an object from Amazon today,
Yeah,
but my but the default address was something, but I have to change that. So now we are
yeah.
going to so we are going to show a demo regarding how to do that.
Yeah. This is what I did. Basically, this is our AI chatbot, right? Here
Oh,
you
okay.
can, if the customer will come and he want to update the address, so he will put the order ID.
Hmm.
Agent will ask the email ID or phone number. After that, it will ask the new address. So once
So
it is
you.
provided, that address will be automatically updated if the product is unfulfilled, right? If it is
Oh,
moved out from the warehouse, it will not update. So you can see this is the new address, and you will see the Cartiva has updated the shipping address for this order, right?
oh,
This is how it works. Apart from this, whatever the communication will happen, you will see this customer want to buy a shirt or something, want to update an address. This is, you can see, and it will show you the result, whether the ticket is resolved or not, and it will highlight that this is the address change request. This is how it works.
so
I hope
you
that
so
answered your
yeah,
question.
yeah, yeah. But I have a few more add-on questions for that. So your company name is Cartiva, if I am not wrong. I mean, the
That is a
spelling is
tech
not
stack,
wrong.
and product is Cartiva.
Yeah. The main focus of Cartiva is that whatever the object you order on some e-commerce platform, if you enter the ticket name in the AI chatbot, so it will give you the status about the product, respect of the platform which you have ordered.
Yes, basically it can manage your pre-sales and the post-sale part.
Oh, okay,
I
okay.
hope.
Yeah, I got your company core work. Yeah, it's really good.
Okay.
But I
Okay.
have but I have few more questions. Like when Amazon itself shows our product, it will track our product. Then why should we go for Cartiva?
So basically, that is a marketplace, right? There are a lot of brands which are have their own website, right?
Yeah,
They need a
yeah,
solution. So this is solve their problem, not the Amazon problem, because Amazon already have a own products.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, can I get to a company's website so that I can visit and I can go through your website?
Okay.
Sorry.
Can I get your company's website so I can
Sure,
go
sure.
through?
I'll provide after this session because we have only few minutes left. I on the last slide we will all the information. You can visit on the website and have a
Yeah.
one-on-one meeting as
No,
well.
please ping it in group. I have some
Okay.
meeting now, so
Okay.
I
Abhisar,
have
can you
that.
please add on into the chat box, please?
So basically, for everyone who have joined late in this meeting, I'll just give you a brief crest of the product. So basically, Cartiva AI basically automates all your customer related queries on your store, whether it can be a COD query or it can be a card abandonment query, address change, product recommendations, or a normal query, or if the customer wants a live human handoff support, it is basically a full ecosystem of agentic AI based customer support that we are offering in one place.
And I think this is for the D2C founder only. And
Yeah,
there are
yeah.
there are a lot of founders, they can use it for the B2B section and so all, but mostly we are right now focusing on that particular part.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next thing is the very common is very return refund, right? अगर मेरे को कोई रिटर्न करना है, ठीक है, कस्टमर को, उसको वो आपको चेस करेगा, राइट? वो सिर्फ टाइप करेगा रिटर्न 1037 ऑर्डर व्हाटएवर, राइट? वो ईमेल आईडी मांगेगा आपसे या फोन नंबर मांगेगा, रीजन मांगेगा, डैमेज, राइट? लेट्स सपोज आई पुट अ डैमेज, राइट? Then it will ask to upload a photo. Right now, there is a one photo to upload, right? It can be a multiple photo. We will upload. इसमें रिक्वेस्ट सबमिट हो गई. दिस इज नॉट ऑटो अप्रूव्ड बिकॉज इट वुड बी पॉसिबल कि आप उसको रिटर्न ना दो. इट कुड बी पॉसिबल यू विल कीप दैट रिटर्न प्रोसेस ऑन होल्ड विद सो एंड सो रीजन. So what is the best part? जो भी कन्वर्सेशन होगी ना, that you can take a look. यहाँ पे आप पूरी कन्वर्सेशन देख सकते हैं कि उसने क्या रिटर्न रिक्वेस्ट डाली है, क्या उसने कन्वर्सेशन करी है, एंड इट ऑल्सो शो यू कि उसने प्रायर ऐसी कितनी रिक्वेस्ट डाल दी. तो उसका स्कोर जो होता है, विशाल which was talking about, that will allocate a score. If the person is that which is keep returning your product, it means that is not a worthwhile customer for you, and you should not give a return, right? That you cannot do it manually. That's why it will give you, he wants a return, refund, photo is unclear, risk score is this. If you approve it from here, right?
Yeah.
I think there is some issue. Actually, once you approve this from here, that will go to this page and it will show that this product has been in the return category. So it will show that this is already fulfilled, but that will go to the return. This is how it works for the Cartiva. Any question for this? I think conversation was one of the things which you are asking.
Yes.
One more thing. I'll just add that if you see the dashboard, basically it is tracking each and every customer behavior also. So you will get to know that which customer is trying to take the return process. Because like right now in India, for the major problems with all the D2C brands are that, like if someone is ordering shoes, what they'll do, they'll just replace the new shoes with the old one and try to add a refund request. For that process, it will basically track in each and every customer profile also, plus the photo that has been uploaded also. So basically, the return refund process will be now much more much more better in terms of fraud resistance, and also we are also trying to reduce the fraud that is happening in the return refund space also.
Okay. So is that clear to our audience? So if you want to ask something, just raise your hand. I'll unmute you.
I think one more thing asked to escalation part, right? For example, if any customer has asked to the escalation of this product, right? So मैंने already 1037 की return request डाल दिया. Yeah, someone is saying something. Okay.
Yes. I think how do you fraud returns? Version K is this particular
part. Yeah, I'll just answer it. For the fraud detection part, basically it will match the product image with the product image. It will be also accompanied by the customer behavior also. Like right now, if there is a customer A who is returning a lot of products in month, like if he is ordering 10 products from your store and returning 8 of them, it will flag that customer. Now, if there is a second customer B, who is not adding so much of return requests, it will try to match the photo uploaded by the customer with the product photo. It can be also, we can also make sure that it also, like if the product is tagged or us time product ki photo khichi gayi,
Abhisar, can you go for the live?
Now, I'll just show you for the live support. Like right now, अगर किसी customer ने ask for a live human handoff, so यहाँ पे एक लाइव विंडो खुल जाएगी। अब जो भी आपके सपोर्ट आवर्स है उस आवर्स में आपका जो लाइक आई जस्ट शेयर माय स्क्रीन, आई जस्ट शो यू, उसमें जो आपका क्या बोलते हैं सपोर्ट विंडो होगा, उसमें लाइव सपोर्ट में यू कैन बेसिकली सी कि किसने रिक्वेस्ट डाली है, और यहाँ पे आप चैट को सीधा टेक ओवर कर सकते हो। So like if you take over the, like if I try to take over the chat and you'll see that yes, आपका live support भी यहाँ से automate हो गया। So basically it will try to solve all the queries of the customers in case अगर वो solve नहीं कर पाता है तो उस case में आपको live उस support मतलब उस आर्ट में अगर available है support team आपकी brand की तो automatically transfer कर देगा। तो आप live support भी provide कर सकते हो अपने customer को।
Got it. So is that helpful for the audience? I guess if you want to say something, just raise your hand. I will unmute you. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, great.
Apart from that, in our product, basically, you will see a unified dashboard for each and every query. Like right now, अगर like आपका एक brand है and you have like 5 people जो आपका support
Abhisar,
manage
just
करते हैं।
1 minute. Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Abhisar.
Yeah.
So this is the call for card recovery.
Nikhil Khanna, you left one item worth 931 Indian rupees in your cart at Luxury Clothing. If you purchase now, we'll give you 15% off. Press 1 to confirm and we'll send you the checkout link with your discount. Great. Please visit Luxury Clothing to complete your order. Use code CARTT3CC76 for your discount. Have a nice day.
So basically, just Abhisar 1 minute. So करेगा कि ये कॉल करेगा IVR, उसको पुश करेगा, इट विल ऑफर अ डिस्काउंट कूपन। यहाँ से आप डिस्काउंट कूपन सेट कर सकते हो अगर IVR कॉल जानी है 5% और 10%। ये आपकी बहुत वैल्यू ऐड करेगा टू कन्वर्ट अ कस्टमर, एंड दैट ईमेल आल्सो गोज टू, ये ईमेल पे भी जाएगा कोड, तो वहां से भी वो चेकआउट कर सकता है। वी कैन सेट कि 3 to 4 टाइम्स आप डे में कॉल कर सकते हो जब तक ये कंप्लीट नहीं होता। दिस इज हाउ द कार्ड रिकवरी वर्क्स। And if you want to into the very customized nature, Webber, just 1 minute, कि वो two-way communication करे, that is a custom request. Webber, please go ahead.
Yeah.
What I feel is that wait a second.
I think there is some echo. Webber, can you fix it?
Yeah. Yes.
Is it right now?
Yes.
Yes.
It is perfect now.
Yes. I was saying that it will create one major issue. First of all, that when once it happens or twice it happens, then the customer will know that I will be offered a discount if I don't
Yes.
order. So he will not place an order. So it is a major drawback. And second major drawback is many a times there is that customer will get frustrated by 3-4 calls in a day and will not will remove the item from cart too.
Okay.
For that, like if basically the discount offered is basically directly proportional to the customer behavior. If there is a customer who is intentionally trying to leave a cart every time, so it will track that also. So basically we are offering a cart abandonment for the customer जो नए हैं और जिनके ऑर्डर कम हो रहे हैं आपकी वेबसाइट पे। अब अगर कोई कस्टमर है जो यही चीज अपना रहा है कि लाइक लगातार वो कार्ड को अबैंडन कर दे रहा है, ये उसको भी ट्रैक करेगा और उस केस में आपको एक नोटिफिकेशन देगा कि ये कस्टमर फ्लैग्ड है, ये बार बार कार्ड अबैंडनमेंट का ट्राई कर रहा है। नाउ जो आपने कॉल्स वाली बात बोली कि 3 और 4 कॉल्स का जो क्वांटिटी है वो यू कैन सेट इन द सेटिंग्स। आई जस्ट शो यू, आप सेटिंग्स में इस चीज को सेट कर सकते हो। जस्ट 1 सेकंड, आई जस्ट रीशेयर दिस थिंग।
So basically, Webber, that is up to you. How many calls you want to make to the particular customer?
आप यहाँ पे सेटिंग्स में जाके
Can you minimize थोड़ी screen को size ठीक करो? So that is manageable. Our point is कि you can control the calling. It should not be कि आपको 4 times ही enable करना है. You can enable it 3 या 4 hours के time window में आप 2 बार enable कर लो. That is more than enough.
तो लाइक यहाँ पे आप यू कैन सेट कि कितने मिनट बाद कॉल करना है, कितना अबैंड वो करना है और कितनी कॉल्स करनी है, ये यू कैन मैनेज इट अप टू द मर्चेंट कि उसको कितनी कॉल करनी है। नाउ जो कस्टमर वाला पार्ट है कि कोई जानबूझ के कार्ड को अबैंडन कर रहा है, उस केस में लाइक आई हैव टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, इट इज बेसिकली ट्रैकिंग ईच एंड एवरी कस्टमर या पोटेंशियल कस्टमर ऑन योर वेबसाइट, उनके बिहेवियर को ये ट्रैक कर रहा है। तो उसके लिए भी हमने प्रोएक्टिव सपोर्ट रखा है। लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आपकी वेबसाइट से किसी ने कोई टीवी ऑर्डर किया एंड एज सून एज उसके पास उसका टीवी डिलीवर हुआ, तो अभी क्या है, अभी के लाइक टाइम में जो भी सपोर्ट एजेंट्स है दे आर बेसिकली रिएक्टिव। आप कुछ बोलोगे तभी वो कुछ करेंगे। जैसे ही आपका टीवी डिलीवर होगा, ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल कॉल द कस्टमर, उससे पूछो कि आपको जो मिला है प्रोडक्ट सही मिला है नहीं मिला है। उसके अलावा लाइक इफ समवन इज स्क्रोलिंग अ टीवी, स्क्रोल करके चला गया, कार्ड अबैंडन कर दी, बाद में उसने बाय भी कर लिया, फिर भी लाइक आप सेट कर सकते हो कि उसको आप 2 वीक बाद वापस अप्रोच करना चाहो किसी प्रोडक्ट के लिए, वो भी आप कर सकते हो। उसके अलावा ईच एंड एवरी टैब में आपको उस मतलब पूरे प्रॉपर फीचर का आपको एक एनालिसिस मिलेगा, लाइक इन केस ऑफ रिटर्न में कि क्या रिटर्न हुआ, क्या कन्वर्सेशन हुई थी, हर चीज आपको मिलेगा। सेम गोज विद द सीओडी वेरिफिकेशन पार्ट। नाउ कमिंग टू द कार्ड रिकवरी पार्ट, कार्ड रिकवरी में रिकवर्ड काउंटेड तब होगा जब यूजर उसको बाय कर लेगा। इफ अगर लेट्स से एक एज केस ये होता है कि यूजर आपने कार्ड अबैंडन किया, आपने उसको डिस्काउंट दिया, वो उसने क्या किया, सीओडी ऑर्डर प्लेस कर दिया उसके बाद, तो उसमें भी कन्वर्टेंट नहीं आएगा। जब तक आपका ऑर्डर डिलीवर नहीं हो तब तक वो कन्वर्टेंट में नहीं आएगा। ये चीज है।
I think this
Okay,
is
sure.
yeah. Please.
yes भैया बताइए।
I was saying sure, understood it.
Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for asking. Anyone else want to ask anything? And then we got a vote for the product recommendation. So can you show that particular thing also? How it works?
Yeah. Abhisar, can you show it?
Yeah. Just one second.
Yes. So till then, if anyone want to ask anything, any doubt, just put it on the chat. We can refer those questions also from the chat.
Hello.
So like for the product,
Yeah, I have one question here.
Yep.
I was asking that if a customer, let's say, post in this post sales that I have got some missing items in the order, and then the AI chat says, give me some reference or the image reference. Then can AI make mistakes, or is it human in the loop process with the product?
I'm not able to understand the question. So you are basically saying like if a customer has got the product, but the product
Like there are a couple of hamper. It is a hamper product, and now there are a couple of items. But the human has received all the items, but human is doing some fraud, right? He's saying that now I have not got complete items, and it shared the missing items for just just a fake image in the chat.
Yeah, for that we have added an integration part. Like there will be 2 cases. Firstly, it will analyze the customer behavior also. Like let's say if I am a customer और मैं वेबसाइट से महीने के 5 ऑर्डर कर रहा हूँ, बट मैं 5 में से 3 में यही चीज कर रहा हूँ, मैं रिटर्न रिफंड कर दे रहा हूँ, तो वो फ्लैग कर देगा। सेकेंड चीज, जो इसका आर्किटेक्चर है ऐसा है कि लाइक इफ द ऑर्डर आपका कोई टाइप किसी शिपिंग कंपनी से, और वो जब ऑर्डर पैक कर रहे हैं तो इन एवरी शिपिंग कंपनी तो बेसिकली क्लिक अ फोटो ऑफ द ऑर्डर जो पैक हुआ है, तो उससे भी आप लिंक करके यू कैन वेरीफाई। तो इट्स लाइक
I think just to answer your question, you want कि अगर किसी ने आपका कोई गिफ्ट हैम्पर है, उसमें से कोई पार्ट मिसिंग है, क्या वो डिटेक्ट करेगा उस पार्ट को? दैट इज योर क्वेश्चन। उसने मॉर्फ कर दिया उस इमेज को।
उसने मॉर्फ इमेज मींस जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 4-5 आइटम्स का हैम्पर है और वो कह रहा है कि 4 आइटम्स ही मुझे मिले हैं, 5वां नहीं मिला है। ठीक है, तो ये वेरिफिकेशन कैसे सिक्योर कर रहा है कार्टिवा? मतलब वो आप कह रहे हैं कि शिपिंग पार्टनर फोटो खींच रहे हैं पहले या फिर डिलीवरी पार्टनर फोटो खींच रहे हैं?
एक्चुअली में मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज डू इन देयर वेयरहाउस कि वो डिस्पैच करते हुए करती हैं। दैट इज वेरी मैनुअल एक्टिविटी। उससे कंपेयर कर सकता है, राइट? दैट वुड बी लिटिल
कस्टम इन नेचर। आर यू
नेचर।
सेइंग दैट एवरी स्केलेबल D2C ब्रांड जो शिपिंग पार्टनर है उनका, वो हर प्रोडक्ट का फोटो खींचते हैं और रिकॉर्ड रखते हैं?
नहीं, शिपिंग पार्टनर नहीं। आई थिंक लेट मी करेक्ट, व्हाट शिपिंग पार्टनर नहीं, बट D2C ब्रांड खुद फोटोज खींचता है, राइट? लाइक इन फ्लिपकार्ट एज वेल। बट ये थोड़ा कस्टम इन नेचर है, दैट वी कैन डिस्कस ऑन दिस पार्ट, बट इसका आंसर आपको वी कैन हैव आफ्टर डिस्कशन, विल प्रोवाइड यू, बट दैट इज मेन थिंग।
ओके, बट रियल टाइम में होता कैसे, आई एम क्यूरियस टू नो, बिकॉज ये मैंने देखा है कि कुछ डिलीवरी पार्टनर फोटो खींचते हैं।
या सो बेसिकली लाइक वो फोटो खींचते हैं, दे अपलोड इट टू द जो उनका शिपिंग कंपनी है उसकी वेबसाइट पे। तो इफ आपके स्टोर में अगर लाइक शिपिंग का पैनल एडेड है तो वहां से वी कैन ट्राई टू मैच द फोटो फॉर दैट प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम द शिपिंग कंपनी एज वेल एज फ्रॉम योर पार्ट ऑल्सो। तो इट इज कम्प्लीटली कस्टम इन नेचर राइट नाउ व्हाट इट ऑफर्स कि वो आपका जैसे अगर लाइक हैम्पर टाइप भी है और किसी ने बोला मिसिंग है तो वो खुद कोई रिफंड रिटर्न नहीं करेगा, वो आपको एक एनालिसिस दे देगा कि देखिए ये कस्टमर है, इसने रिटर्न रिफंड बहुत किया है, इसका स्कोर आई है, इट कैन बी अ फ्रॉड रिफंड, ठीक है। और वहां
तो
से
क्या वो
आपको
पहली
एक-
बार रिफंड कर देगा एआई अपने आप? कितना फ्लैग
नहीं
है,
नहीं,
मतलब फर्स्ट या
रिफंड
सेकंड?
रिफंड एक भी बार नहीं करेगा, वो एक टिकट बना देगा विद द डिटेल कन्वर्सेशन, उसमें उसने जो भी फोटो अपलोड की है, एआई खुद कोई रिफंड नहीं करेगा।
क्योंकि मैंने स्विगी में भी सेम चीज देखी है, स्विगी ने मुझे रिफंड कर दिया था फर्स्ट टाइम। मतलब मैंने सीधा बोला था कि मुझे नहीं आया, तो क्योंकि मेरा कोई प्रीवियस हिस्ट्री फ्लैग नहीं था, बट कितना
हाँ।
हिस्ट्री तो स्कोरिंग मतलब कितना रखा है, दैट्स व्हाट आई, मतलब पहली बार में आप रिफंड का मैकेनिज्म रख रहे हो या
नहीं,
फिर
हम रिफंड
usually हम
ऑटोमेटिक
human
नहीं
ही?
कर रहे हैं, ह्यूमन ही
ओके,
है, वो एक टिकट बना देगा। अगर लाइक कोई कस्टमर है वो नया नहीं है, उसके बहुत सारे ऑर्डर्स हैं, तब उसके ऑर्डर्स और उसके रिफंड का रेशियो के हिसाब से वो एक रिस्क फैक्टर बता देगा आपको कि ये कस्टमर है, इसने इसके रिटर्न इस मंथ में बहुत ज्यादा है, और
ओके।
हाँ तो उससे आपको एक एनालिसिस मिल जाएगा कि इस कस्टमर को मुझे
तो
रिफंड
अभी
देना
ये
चाहिए
वाला
या नहीं
पार्ट
देना
आपने ऑटोमेट नहीं करा है, मतलब एआई रिस्क फैक्टर देख के कुछ एक्शन नहीं ले रहा है रिफंड लेने का या नहीं, वो ह्यूमन ही है?
चाहिए। वो चीज हम कर सकते हैं, बट बेसिकली इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि इट वोंट देन कवर ऑल ऑफ द एज केसेस। लाइक कोई ऐसा भी कस्टमर हो सकता है जो आपकी वेबसाइट पे अकाउंट बनाया फ्रॉड के ही इरादे से प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर करे एंड फ्रॉड कर दे, और कोई ऐसा भी कस्टमर हो सकता है जो जिसने सच में महीने में 10 ऑर्डर मंगाए और उसको सच में 8 खराब ही मिले हो। तो देयर आर
हाँ,
लॉट
राइट
ऑफ
राइट,
एज केसेस, so we have
करेक्ट।
covered all the edge cases for that also.
idea would be Sanjoli to save a seller, right? Because हमारे को हम ऑटो रिफंड कर भी दें तो you will be in a loss, मतलब seller will be in a loss, but that we don't want. Our
Yes.
objective is to increase your like हमें आपको वैल्यू देना बिजनेस को, we want
Correct.
कि कस्टमर परचेज करे, it should not be कि आपका लॉस हो at the end.
या आई वाज आस्किंग फ्रॉम बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ओनली, बट ऑटो रिफंड आपने ऑटोमेट नहीं करा है बेसिकली, राइट?
Yes, we have put a barrier intentionally
Okay.
to कि आप अप्रूव करेंगे तभी वो, क्योंकि उसके अंदर यूजर आईडी होगी जिसने उसको अप्रूव किया है। सो यू वांट अ ट्रैक कि भाई अगर मेरे 10 एम्प्लॉयज है तो कौन सा ऐसा एम्प्लॉय है जिसने इसको अप्रूव किया है, राइट? क्योंकि जैसे जैसे टीम स्केल होती है वैसे वैसे चीजें थोड़ी ट्रैक करना टफ हो जाता है।
करेक्ट, दैट्स व्हाई स्विगी ने एक लेवल पे वो ऑटोमेट करा है based on
Okay.
their scalable, I mean high big
Yeah,
data.
because they are very scalable brands, so that we can expect. But being a D2C e-commerce,
Yeah.
I think we should not like approach
Correct.
in this manner.
Got it, thank you.
Yeah.
Any questions?
I was just showing the product recommendation part, like
Yes,
if in
please.
the agent, if the user wants to buy a red shirt, to be very specific, like if the customer wants to buy a red shirt, it will ask the gender like men or women depending on the products कि आपके वेबसाइट पे क्या प्रोडक्ट्स हैं। उसके केस में आपने रेड मांगा है तो आपको रेड शर्ट तो देगा ही, उसके अलावा इट विल try to give you a upsell, like उससे एक higher value product आपको देगा। I guess there is a network issue at my end. Yeah, there is a network issue. Nikhil sir, can you just share the screen and show? I guess there's a
Sure,
network
sure.
issue at my end.
I think this I have already shown people, but I'll show it again.
Yes.
I think human head of हमने देख लिया, escalation भी देख लिया,
Yes.
right?
Recommendation.
By white shirt. In this also you can put as much as product, right? According to the plan, जो भी होगा उसमें आपको वो recommend करेगा white shirt.
Or like it will also give you a higher value product also. Like उससे कोई
That
अच्छा
is the
product जो उसमें
upsell
थोड़ा
part.
सही हो।
So also we got vote for the upsells and cross sells. So I think that
Yes.
particular point also covered in this particular thing
Yeah.
with the
Yeah.
product recommendation. Great.
Yeah. And right now अभी like हम इसमें ये भी बात कर रहे हैं कि for the clothing industry, like customers का होता है, they see an outfit on Pinterest, then they try to recreate it. बट क्या
Yes.
प्रॉब्लम होती है कि उन्हें वो मैनुअली ढूंढना पड़ता है. इसमें अभी लाइक इट इज इन द टेस्टिंग फेज, वी हैव डेवलप्ड, हम इसको टेस्ट कर रहे हैं अभी कि कस्टमर सिर्फ फोटो डाले उस आउटफिट की, आपके स्टोर पे जो अवेलेबल आइटम्स है उससे वो आउटफिट अगर बन सकता है तो इट विल गिव यू द होल आउटफिट, जिसको आप एज अ होल ऐड टू कार्ट कर सकते हो, या उससे भी बेटर आउटफिट बन सकता है तो वो भी आपको वो दे देगा. दैट वी आर करंटली टेस्टिंग इट, वी हैव डेवलप्ड इट, हम उसको टेस्ट कर रहे हैं.
Okay. Perfect. So I
It will
think
also just one thing more, Nikhil sir. Just one thing more. It will also, can you just scroll down, Nikhil, please? It will also, show the inventory also. So basically, जो D2C brands में प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि आपका डेड स्टॉक बहुत रहता है. तो it will give
Yes.
you कि कौन सा प्रोडक्ट आपका सेल हो रहा है, कौन से प्रोडक्ट की ज्यादा क्वेरीज आ रहे हैं, ताकि आप अपने वेयरहाउस को उस हिसाब से मैनेज कर सको.
got it.
Yes.
Got it. So yes. So any other questions from the audience? So please raise your hand and you can ask. Yes, I think someone raising.
Yeah, so I have one question. So this is a website and is it available on mobile app? Because most of the persons or customers use mobile nowadays.
So see, that totally depends on your store का architecture. Like अगर आप Shopify use कर रहे हो, तो Shopify के आपकी वेबसाइट होगी. अगर आपको like if you want this agent to be embedded in your app, so that's a very custom solution. वो भी we can provide. या इस app को we can integrate with your mobile app का जो store है. वरना right now अभी जो भी वेबसाइट्स हैं आपकी, चाहे वो Shopify based हो या वो कोई भी custom backend हो, उस पे it will support.
Okay.
So I'll just give a quick overview before we close the session. So this is the overview part of this dashboard. You can track how many conversation happened, escalations kitne hai, how many have you card recovered, COD confirmation, deflection rate, upsell, cross sell उसने कितना किया है, right? Voice calls भी going forward हमारे पास आएंगी. That will be provide you full analytics. Then conversation wise कि क्या क्या conversation हो रहा है, because this is all really important to know कि customer क्या हमारे लिए ढूंढ रहा है. What we are providing a customer, that is okay, but what customer is asking and doing it, right? Then we have a live
Just
support.
one thing, Nikhil, I'll just interrupt you. Conversations may just show that also कि it is tracking the whole conversation. If you click on any type of conversation, it will give you कि क्या बात हुई customer की, alongside with the summary also. So if you go back and try to see a long conversation, उसमें आपको ये summary भी बताएगा. तो in case of any ticket जो आपके किसी बंदे को assign होती है सपोर्ट में, तो वो he can knew कि असल में बात क्या हुई है पूरी. Yeah, now go ahead.
Okay, so we have a live support that you also you can set a time. If your team work 9 to 6, so you can set a time. उसी टाइम पे वो लाइव सपोर्ट को हैंड ओवर करेगा, एल्स वो नहीं करेगा, वो एक टिकट बना के एस्केलेशन में डाल देगा. और समटाइम्स अगर कोई लाइव सपोर्ट नहीं चाहता तो वो उसको एस्केलेशन में पार्क कर देगा, so that your team can come and look into this ticket. Then we have a COD verification. जैसे जैसे कंफर्म होगा वैसे वैसे वो रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा. Then रिटर्न रिफंड रिक्वेस्ट जो भी आएंगी वो यहाँ मॉनिटर होंगी. ऑर्डर फॉर चेंजेस, अगर कोई बिफोर डिलीवरी कैंसिलेशन डालता है तो दैट इज ट्रैक हेयर. कार्ट रिकवरी यहाँ से ट्रैक होगी अगर कोई इंटरेस्ट दिखाता है, और इफ ही विलिंग टू बाय, अंटिल अनलेस वो परचेज नहीं करता तब तक वो इंटरेस्टेड कैटेगरी में रहेगा. जब वो परचेज कर लेगा तो रिकवर्ड कैटेगरी में चला जाएगा, राइट? और ऑल्सो वी हैव एवरी फिल्टर हेवर की, उसको आप यहाँ से चेक कर सकते हो. पूरा एक्टिव सपोर्ट ऑलरेडी Abhisar has told you. This is the number part if you want to make a call, because this is the Indian number which will make a call. अगर आप किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाओगे they will provide you the USA number, and if you want to make a call in an Indian customer, so you should only use a Indian number so that he can at least pick up the number. And most of the platform are charging very heavily for this product for buying the number. तो वो नंबर भी हम इसको अनेबल करके देते हैं. You don't have to move and jump and struggle for the another platform. By default एक नंबर होगा, उसके अलावा if you want to buy multiple number that will also come. एंड दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द एनालिटिक्स पार्ट, जो आपका रेवेन्यू वगैरह के बारे में बताया गया, कस्टमर की रिक्वेस्ट कितनी है, सॉल्व कितनी हुई, अर्जेंट, हाई, everything analysis you will get. This is the widget part. You can update your icon, जैसे भी आपको आइकन रखना है, उसकी पोजीशनिंग बॉटम राइट रखना है, कलर कोडिंग, everything you can handle it from here. Then we have a docs part. If you stuck anywhere, you can read it here. Also, we have a support that we will provide you. And the last will be your billing part. Whatever the plan you will purchase, that will be activated here. कितनी उसमें से कन्वर्सेशन हुई, कितने मिनट्स यूज हुए, कितने कन्वर्सेशन गई हैं, वो सब इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास यहाँ पे आएंगी. देन देर इज अ टीम पार्ट. इनको आप टीम में ऐड ऑन करना चाहते हो, आप 5 यूजर बनाना चाहते हो, 6 यूजर बनाना चाहते हो, क्या क्या एक्सेस देना चाहते हो, किसी को सिर्फ कन्वर्सेशन देना है, किसी को सिर्फ कार्ड रिकवरी देनी है, दैट आल्सो कैन बी डन. एंड द लास्ट इज द सेटिंग पार्ट विच विल वेरी बेसिक, कि हाउ यू हैव टू कनेक्ट योर स्टोर. कार्ड रिकवरी के लिए कितनी कॉल करनी है, कितनी बार करनी है, कितना डिस्काउंट देना है, दैट आल्सो यू कैन मैनेज, और आपको अपनी पॉलिसीज यहाँ पे इंसर्ट कर सकते हो नॉलेज बेस में. दिस इज द ऑल अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट विच वी हैव बिल्ड फॉर e-commerce and D2C.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, any other questions from the audience till now? And if this particular product is, if you think it is helpful, so
I
yes,
think Dhruv
yes,
has a question.
Yes,
Please.
Nikhil, I have
Yeah.
one basic question here.
Yeah.
please.
Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes,
you're
yes.
audible.
Yeah. So, Nikhil, I just want to understand why this use case. Probably you are building in this space and all. So you have targeted multiple use cases as part of this. So why any specific reason why you went for say 7 or 8 use cases rather than going for one particular use case and going deep?
Okay, so first of all, if you go into the market, there is a multiple solution for each use case, right? If you go to ByteSpeed, they will offer you a card abandonment recovery. Then they will give you another solution for the COD verification, right? तो उसका एनालिटिक्स डिफर होगा. ऐसी मतलब देयर वुड बी मेनी कंपनीज, आई एम नॉट टारगेटिंग, वी आर नॉट कंपेयरिंग इट. सो आइडिया वुड बी, as much you know about the product, then you will leverage the product, utility of the product. अगर यही हम स्प्लिट करके अलग अलग देंगे तो इट विल बी वेरी हैसल फॉर यू टू मैनेज इट. अगर एक डैशबोर्ड होगा, फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन मैनेज योर Shopify store. That would be easy and convenient for you, not to go on to the multiple dashboards.
Yeah, one more thing that I will add on what Nikhil said. Basically, the main idea of ours was to create a whole e-commerce ecosystem, an agentic ecosystem for the e-commerce store. So basically, if we build one specific feature, let's say COD abandonment, is like COD verification. So we'll get deep into it and we'll build it. But I guess the COD issue is not only the issue in the e-commerce industry, right? There are several issues. So we are creating a whole agentic ecosystem for e-commerce stores where we'll try to cover all the issues that are faced by the customers, by the merchant as well as the customers. So the main, USP is to, lower the workforce of your brand and increase the productivity of your overall store.
Okay. Understood, but gaining expertise would be tough, correct? Like the use cases which you have talked about here is the voice. Voice is a big use case, but you have integrated with solutions. So costing wise, so everything is like very deep in understanding, and you try to become a platform, correct? A platform for D2C.
Yeah.
Or e-commerce sellers or D2C brands. Okay. Understood. All the best, all the best, guys.
Yeah. So I think the pricing part you raised, Dhruv, our objective is to provide a complete package at affordable price. We know at the initial page, every seller has a limited pocket, so he cannot spend much on the, because अगर एक customer support भी hire करना, bare minimum 15-20,000 rupees तो bare minimum है, right? और अगर आपको 100 calls per day, अगर आपको scale करना है तो 100 calls आपकी आएंगी manually. उनको मैनेज करना, अगर वो वर्कफोर्स आप L2 पे लगा दो ताकि आपकी L1 फ्री हो जाए, दैट इज आवर ऑब्जेक्टिव. सो दिस इज द वे वी थिंक एंड टू प्रोवाइड द सॉल्यूशन.
Understood. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So yes. So any other questions here? Just want to discuss. Just you can raise your hand. I think that was it. And Nikhil, from my side, I just want to ask one thing to you. That there are a lot of D2C founders or the direct sellers who sell to the consumers, right? This particular product can help them in various ways. But the thing is, while you have while building this product, you have seen such problems in the market. Then you identify those things and you make a product that can solve those particular problems, right? So for the founders, as per your experience, can you just suggest them what are the things they should think about while building a D2C brand, and how they can leverage the technologies? You have shown your product, but other than that, if someone is starting, right, so how they can build the foundation so that they can run it in a proper way. So from your experience, I just want to understand, because you have dealt a lot of customers every day, right? A lot of founders.
Yeah. So basically, I think AI is really most trending thing which everyone is adopting, right? If you go at a higher level, at a bottom level or a mid level, somehow everyone is using it, right? Whether it would be a chat GPT for description of or creating some videos around the product. So I believe definitely that will add value to your business if you have to, because now the people are not just satisfied with the images of the product, they want to see the video of the product. People can use a video platform to create those video, right? There are so many platforms and you will see these are available in the market. You can leverage that, because until unless you will not try the product, you will not get the result. Because my recommendation would be something and someone would be recommending that could be good for him, but it totally depends on the founder approach, right? We also use multiple tools to test the product, to brainstorming. So everyone has a different approach, but yes, you can try video creation part, because that is really people are liking it to buy the product. Because even though I also went to buy some gadgets for myself, like a microphone, I watched out the video end to end. So that is also can be onboarded into their site. Because video could be the more experienced way to engage the customer just for an image as well. That is my point.
Okay, great. So yeah, thank you so much for this particular session. And I think these are the contact numbers. So here, जो भी हमारे पास अभी D2C founders है, if you want to try this particular product and want to have a conversation with Nikhil directly to customize your experience, your company operations, so you can talk to him one-on-one, and you can join the group which we have shared in the chat, where you can directly connect with Mr. Nikhil and his team. So thank you so much, Nikhil, for this particular session, and thank you so much, Abhishek, for the explanation. You have explained a lot of things to our people. Yeah, thank you so much, Dhruv, and hope it is helpful to all. And that was it from our end. And Nikhil, in the conclusion note, if you want to say something, so please go ahead and we will conclude.
So I just want to say that we have built the product. We have tried to gather as much as scenarios. If you have any scenario which we have left out, or there is an edge case which is very common in nature, if you think this could be done better way, if you have any recommendation, please feel free to reach out us. If you want to do one-on-one meeting, you can reach out in the group. We have a phone number on their side. You can call on any number, and we will offer a trial as well. You can try. Whether you buy or not, that is secondary thing. If you test, you will get some result. That will be one of the achievement for us as well as for you. Yes, AI आपको help कर रहा है. And we all know that everyone, big giant also taken bet on the AI, just because that is one of the trending thing which can improve your production efficiency. Apart from that, we work for industry as well, and we provide a custom solution. Already in touch with the Form Factory, we are also building a solution. Yes, they are also adopting it. Good. If you are a small team or mid size, you should try at least for once with us.
Absolutely. So that's the thing. So this is product something can build your ROI. Most of the products can plan or can suggest things but I think we should trust a product which can give you the ROI, because you are investing ₹2, you have to get 4 out of it, correct? So that's the thing. And yes, and here all the founders who have any product or want to build something product, so you can contact us. We help founders, to get this kind of a session where you can talk to your potential customers directly, and you can have feedback, or you can have potential customer relations through this kind of a session. So please join Wisey, and you can contact us for this kind of a session if you want to arrange, correct? So yeah, thank you so much everyone for joining. And it was a wonderful session by Cartiva AI. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Wisely, and thank you for your time,
Thank you.
everyone, because it is very helpful to share the knowledge. And thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Great.
Thank you.
And Madhushan ji,
Thank
thank
you.
you so much. Madhushan, thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone.